I never saw this coming. This afternoon, without doing anything special, I started hearing news. Factory after factory was halting recruitment. One after another, they're shutting down, and it's happening minute by minute. And this is just in Kenjing. Some of the places we once recommended, like the circuit board plant in Xi'ing, a biscuit packaging factory in Wuing, an electronics plant in Dongyi, and another in Tongyi, have all gone quiet. Even a switch factory in Wing has closed. And these are only the closures in one city. In Tenzing, it's the same story. Across Beijing, Shandong, Tanggu, and Nannong, the trend continues. Even in Shanghai, 4 cosmetics factories have already stopped operations. Only one remains, and it's hiring women aged 50 and above. The conditions are far from ideal. No dogs allowed, no shuttle buses, and it's a 20-minute walk just to get there. So if you're still looking for a job, take whatever you can. Don't be picky anymore. Just last month, we were working overtime every day. Our factory ran year-round, never taking a break. But now look at us. Our factory mostly handled exports. But with the growing trade war with the US, orders have almost vanished. What once was a bustling site with over 100 workers now only has 10 or 20 people showing up each day. I never imagined we'd fall into this situation. I want to earn more money, but I don't know what to do anymore. Amid this escalating trade war, one college student even spoke out, criticizing the Chinese government for taking such a hard stance against the US while ignoring the hardship it's causing people. She asked if all this was really just about saving face, while the real toll is paid by everyday folks like us. The US announces new tariffs, and instantly the government replies, "We'll fight to the end." It sounds brave and bold, but who's actually suffering? Not the rich. Not the officials. It's us, the regular citizens. Prices go up every year. Eggs, meat, fruit, everything's getting expensive. College graduates can't find work. Layoffs are everywhere. Factories close down. Small businesses vanish. And instead of trying to fix the economy, the government is clamping down even harder on private companies, all while claiming it's to protect national interests. But who exactly is the nation? Isn't it us? They talk of sovereignty and pride, but meanwhile, our jobs are disappearing. Each time the US raises tariffs, China retaliates. It might look like strength, but we're the ones bearing the cost. Orders dry up. Trade gets disrupted. Workers are let go. Business owners flee. And the people are left unprotected. The government claims not to provoke conflict, but aren't they doing just that now? If they truly cared, they'd focus on improving our lives, not showing off defiance to the world. There are no winners in a trade war. It's a game of power and pride, but the cost is paid by us. They fight, we starve. We don't want to be pawns. We just want steady jobs, food on the table, and a normal life. This economic war is destroying industries built on global exports. On April 17, a worker from Dongguan said their factory, once thriving, might become the next casualty. A major die casting company making phone motherboards has gone bankrupt. The court shut it down, and now they're auctioning off the machines, over 300 heavy units including pressure systems, all being packed into trucks and hauled away. The trade war continues to intensify. The US has slapped tariffs as high as 245% on some Chinese goods, potentially locking China out of the biggest consumer market in the world. Goldman Sachs warns that if US orders fully disappear, as many as 20 million jobs could be affected. And if the US and China decouple completely, the chaos in the labor market will only deepen. Wage cuts are already widespread. Layoffs are becoming the norm. Recently, a heartbreaking video surfaced on Douyin showing hundreds of people standing in the rain waiting for night shift jobs that paid just 17 yuan an hour. Most of them looked like recent college grads. One commenter said that even if wages dropped to 7 yuan an hour, people would still line up, because if you don't work, you don't eat.